will paint Bohemian zinnia flowers with soft pastels. For painting, I choose paper neutral beige with a striped texture. Sheet size standard. On such a texture, flowers will look especially. Our drawing will be realistic, so follow the process carefully. Let's start building the compositions. It is simple, only 3 ovals. Now the task is more difficult. Fill the oval with petals. The first flower will be in the profile. Do not worry, at the end of this stage, I will leave you a photo where all the lines will be visible. You definitely notice the middle of a small flower, and there are a few petals. Well, the last flower will be magnificent. We'll devote more time to him, and I will also show you each line brighter. Probably wondering what kind of pastel I have? Look right, this is our palette, yellow, brown, white and orange colors. Sometimes I'll show you the grains closer. About our pale petals. Basically, we will paint a gradient from bright orange to pale peach. It will be white at the edge and brown at the beginning. The petals are higher lighter ochre color, also draw brown streaks on them. Add depth between the petals with a black pastel pencil. Shading with brown. We'll have to get our hands dirty, but it's nice. Here is the middle, black to the center. Ochre on top, and with dotted strokes, black and brown, we connect the colors, thus drawing stamens. Add highlights leaves and illuminated stamens with white, more opaque pastels. By the same principle, the middle of the second flower appears. Take a closer look. The little flower will be white. Add yellow stamens and draw a shadow with a gray pencil. Watch closely and you will understand how realistic flower is drawn. The middle appears in layers of spots. Paint the edges of the petals with milk pastel. Bottom ochre and from the center like terracotta. Mixed color. Lighten with white and paint the outlines with brown. complete the darkening of the petals along the contour. The final stage, the stems and leg strokes outline the leaves. Leaving the drawing airy. The background should also be airy. To do this with the side part of the orange crayon, we make 1 strokes above and below. From a white flower, white strokes. Also long strokes of ochre. Done! This is how realism is drawn step by step. I'm sure you succeeded, and now you can decorate your house with painting. Thank you all and see you!